Omron SA-VKX switch mode power supplies leverage IoT connectivity to enhance facility and site maintenance by enabling centralized monitoring of voltage, current, and expected lifespan. This technology eliminates the need for physical inspections or early replacements, allowing maintenance teams to proactively schedule repairs based on detailed life expectancy data. With outstanding resistance to extreme temperatures, vibration, shock, humidity, gas, and high altitudes, the S8VKX series is built for durability. The power supplies are compliant with EN/IEC 61558-2-16 and UL Class II standards. The compact design of Omron S8VKX switch mode power supplies allows for side-by-side mounting, maximizing space efficiency in any setup, and are ideal for industrial automation, telecommunications, and data centers. Discover how to optimize your new product designs at Mouser.com.